Hi guys, it's Hinda and welcome to Cooking Fantasies. Today's video I want to share with you how I make these delicious and super refreshing fruit summer rolls. So today's video is not really a recipe, but it's more like a suggestion or an idea of how to eat fruits and serve them. It's really nice, delicious, refreshing, and it's amazing to take with you for a picnic or to serve in a buffet. I really like it and I just had to share it with you. Before we start, if you are new to the channel and you like delicious things, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified whenever a new recipe is up, and let's get started. So basically you're going to need some fresh fruits, whatever you like or whatever you have available. You will also need some coconut milk. I'm also going to be adding some nuts, sesame seeds and mint leaves. I'm going to be adding some cellophane noodles you can replace with white rice, some black rice or rice berry, and of course we're going to need some rice paper for rolling. I'm going to start by preparing a simple and delicious coconut sauce. I have here about 1 cup of coconut milk, to which I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. You can add honey or sugar. And I'm going to bring my coconut milk to a simmer. Meanwhile, I've already cooked the black rice according to the instructions on the package, so you just cook it normal. As soon as the coconut milk starts simmering, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and keep whisking continuously until it thickens and it becomes like a cream, then immediately remove it from the heat. I have here about 1.5 cups of cooked black rice, to which I'm going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of the coconut cream I just prepared. And what you want to do after you mix everything, you want to give it a try, taste it, and if you're not happy with the taste, you might be needing to add about 1 tablespoon of the cream or honey or the agave if that's what you're using. And same with the cellophane noodles or the glass noodles. I also cooked them according to the instructions on the box, and I'm going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of the coconut cream I just prepared. If you don't like glass noodles, I am myself not a big fan, go ahead and use white rice. And now we're going to prepare the fruits. I'm going to be adding a mango because I love mangoes, but you can use any fruits that you have available or that you like. I actually had the idea of doing this summer rolls with black rice, based or inspired from this delicious dessert made of black pudding, mangoes and coconut that we've had once in an Indo-Chinese restaurant, and it was so delicious that we've been trying to make it home since then. And I was like, why not add in black rice with the mangoes, because they just go really nice together. So after peeling the mango, I'm going to slice it. This way I can easily cut out some flowers or any shapes you want to have. And afterwards I will do the same with all the fruits I want to add in my rolls. And now that I have my fruits and my rice and noodles ready, it's time to start rolling. To be able to make the rolls easier, you're going to need to do it on a wet kitchen towel. Start by soaking the rice papers in some room temperature water for a few seconds, then place it on a wet kitchen towel with the textured side facing upwards. And before I start adding the fruits, I'm going to be adding some drops of lemon juice. And from this point on, you're going to be adding your favorite fruits or whatever you want to have in your roll. So basically what you put first is what you want to show. So we're going to be adding the fruits first so we can see them and they look really nice when we roll it. Then go ahead and add the noodles or the rice. And I also like to add a little bit of the fruit cuttings that I have saved from cutting the flowers and the patterns. And then you can add some crushed nuts or coconut, the seeds, mint leaves, whatever you like to have normally in your fruit salad, you can basically add to the roll. Once you finish rolling all your fresh fruit summer rolls, you can place them in the fridge for some time to chill or enjoy them right away. This rice paper tends to stick to each other, so make sure to use some plastic wrap between them if you're going to place them in the fridge to chill. I like to serve these beautiful and delicious fresh fruit summer rolls with some dips. I have yogurt, honey, and grated ginger dip, which is very refreshing and delicious and really easy to make. I also have a chocolate sauce dip. And to make this delicious and simple coconut dip, we're going to make the very same sauce we made at the beginning, but instead of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in order to have a thicker consistency and creamier cream. I hope you liked today's video and you will be trying out these delicious and refreshing summer rolls with fresh fruits. They are really amazing as a snack or a dessert. So go ahead, grab your favorite ingredients, your favorite fruits, and give it a try. They are totally worth it. I'm sure you will like them. I thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon in a new video.